Right, so here we are at York, and Sarah's one of just 3 lucky people in the audience, so they're all going to get a healing tonight. We've got lots of time then to spend with Sarah. So what's been happening with you health-wise, Sarah?
I've got fibromyalgia coupled with chronic migraines. That has been steadily getting worse. It started off with just the odd ache and pain. I trundled back and forth to the doctors for years, and eventually I got labelled with fibro, and it has just spiralled out of control, and just recently it's got a lot worse.
Okay.
To the point where I've been off work, and things are getting bad at work.
All right, okay. So how many years has this been going on for?
Say about 10 years now.
That's a long time, eh?
Yeah.
It's a long time. Okay. Yeah. All right. So what I do is I ask the entities for healing for you. We'll just see what happens.
Okay.
Now, as this is the first healing of the night, internally what I do is I invite into this space the entities from the Casa do Dom Ignacio in Brazil. They're the entities that work with John of God in Brazil. And inside it, I also say a prayer. I use the Lord's Prayer, and I use the Hail Mary. Internally, I ask for healing for Sarah from my heart, not from my head. And I ask that she be helped on all levels, physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. I ask that she be able to release whatever it is she needs to release, be assisted to surrender whatever it is she needs to surrender, and also to receive whatever it is she needs to receive. And my hands start to move, and I start to be given information about what's going on within her energetic space. Sarah, I'm just going to check with you. What are the sensations for you? What's happening so far?
I can feel like a humming, and there's like a pressure feeling in my head.
Yeah.
Is that normal?
Yes, it is. In terms of like a vibration starting to take place within you.
I can feel something here as well
in your throat.
Yeah, and on top of my chest. It's warm.
All right. Okay. Now, because we're quite a small group tonight, I am going to share with you what's happening, and at some stage I will make a decision about whether or not we make this particular video public. So my understanding is you have 3 beings with you in your space, and one of them has you bound at the throat. And this is something that you have said against a person this lifetime. Okay, so I want you to think through your lifetime. It might be words you've said against a person that's resulted in some kind of difficulty for them. So have you ever been involved with anything like a court case where legally you've had to speak out against a person?
No, I don't think so.
No, okay. Have you been in a situation, in a work situation, where you'd have to give an account of somebody?
Yes.
Yes, okay, that's what it's to do with, okay. Now at the time it feels like you didn't want to speak out. You were really between a rock and a hard place. But if you didn't speak out, then other people might suffer.
Yes.
And that was your motivation in speaking out.
Yes.
It wasn't that you intended that person any harm. Okay, this person energetically may have taken it the wrong way and may have bound you energetically. Not most people, if they do this, they don't know they've done this. They're completely oblivious to it, but that's what the block is at the throat. They didn't want you to speak out, so they tried to bind you at the throat. Now I don't know yet who the three beings are that are with you, but I was guided to use the Lord's Prayer, God bless, and the Hail Mary, because of how those beings are. Doesn't mean that those beings are bad, but it does mean that those beings lack consciousness. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what's happening now is the spirit surgeon is moving his energy into your space to take a look around and just to see what happens with these beings as his energy, which is a really, really good energy, comes into your space and what they decide to do. Sometimes they scupper because they don't like bright lights. Other times they'll try and hold on. So we're just going to see what's happening. I'm going to get you to close your eyes, and I just want you to notice now what's happening for me as well is the base of my fingernails are starting to hurt. Have you had any problems with the very base of your fingernails?
Only the same as the rest of my fingers.
Yeah, it
Sort of,
hurts.
they hurt.
It hurts
Yeah.
where your nails goes into your fingers.
Yeah.
It's a weird place to hurt, isn't it? Okay. So just bear with me. Just as well we have a small audience tonight so that I've got time to do this and do this well. Okay. I've got this. You wouldn't knowingly harm someone, but nonetheless others have perceived themselves harmed by you. There's a difference, okay? I don't willingly wish to harm anybody, but sometimes people do get upset with me. I can't help that sometimes. And that's what I'm picking up, is that you haven't knowingly wanted to harm anybody, but sometimes people have been upset by you. That's just an energy that's in your energy field. Okay, how are you feeling? A bit emotional?
A bit sad by that,
Yeah,
actually.
yeah, okay, so just let yourself feel that, because I know you haven't ever intended to harm anybody. Just let yourself feel that energy. Okay, now the surgeon that's working through me has just indicated to me that, if you like, your soul is safe. There's a level of protection now around your soul. But on the level of the physical form now, and other beings that are with you, there's now the work to do to move them out of your energetic space. Okay. Okay, now there's a particular energy that's being cleared now that I'm not going to talk about on camera. I'll talk with you privately at the end.
Okay.
This particular energy that's just being cleared. Once this clears, it will not surprise me at all if you start feeling quite a bit better.
Okay.
notice your head. Is your head feeling nice and light now?
It is, yeah.
Isn't that good? We're just going to do that to the rest of your body.
Right, okay.
Right, this is the block at the throat being taken away. We'll take it out to a chair, grounding it to earth. Cool. Just try turning your head. Just notice how that feels.
Does it feel? Feels amazing, actually.
Isn't that cool?
It is. It's like, wow.
Yeah. This is so exciting.
It's
And
fantastic.
you know, I probably wouldn't be able to give you the time I am going to be able to give you if we got big crowds. So whenever small crowd, there's always a reason for it. Okay, we're getting into the shoulders now. Shoulders are responsibilities. Good. All right. Now I'm going to choose my words very, very carefully. It feels like, I'm going to use my words very carefully, you love your work, but it's become increasingly difficult, the environment. Not your health, the environment.
Yes.
And the environment is key to our health. If an environment is toxic, guess what? We get sick. That's what happens.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'm being told you love your job, you're good at it, it's all the other crap that goes on.
Yeah.
Yeah? Just recognise that. Recognise you love your work and you're good at it. It's all the other crap that goes on. And that's superfluous, other stuff. Right, starting to clear the shoulders. Just notice how your shoulders are feeling.
It's like everything's draining away.
Draining away down through the floor. Going. It's all going. All the pain, all the crap is going. There was a deep thing which I will talk to you about later on, but it's not suitable for camera. Coming into the solar plexus now at the base of the breastbone. Also coming down the arms to the elbows. That's all starting to feel more clear. Just try moving your hands. Notice how your hands are feeling. Much better. Right, and now we're waist down basically. There's waist down energy that's got to come out. The two surgeons that are working on you are Dr. Augusto de Almeida and Dr. Oswaldo Cruz. You've got two working on you together.
Okay.
Both lovely, lovely spiritual beings. God bless. Well, that's interesting. They just said thank you to me. Usually I say thank you to them, but they said thank you to me. I was maintaining good focus and concentration, and they're very happy with what's happening at the moment. Right, we're going to get you to walk around, Sarah, just to see how the whole of you feels.
Can I put the stick down? Shall I try it
If you want,
Can
if
I
you
try it
want
without
to try
the stick?
without.
Yes.
Why
Let's
not?
try it without
Let's
the
try
stick.
without the stick.
I haven't walked without the stick properly for ages.
Oh my goodness me, that was a sign. Sorry, it's supposed to be off.
Just do that one again. Like it doesn't hurt.
Isn't that cool?
It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. I can stand up and it doesn't hurt. Sorry. bless you. Sorry.
That's it, walk
Sorry,
around.
Rachel.
Walk around.
Just pull my trousers up.
Yeah.
Sorry. It doesn't hurt. Nope. Right. It doesn't hurt. And I've got this stick. And I can walk around. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. Oh gosh, it doesn't hurt. I have
Isn't it
hurt
amazing?
every day for 10 years. It doesn't hurt. Nothing hurts. It doesn't hurt. It's, wow, it doesn't hurt. It's fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And it's gone for good. It's gone for good.
It's gone.
It's gone for good.
Oh, sorry,
Whole different life
fantastic.
now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Sorry.
You'll be able to find a new home for this.
Yes, I'll donate it to somebody else because I don't need it. Don't need that. Thank you. Thank you
You're
very
welcome.
much.
You're welcome.